Stephen Osudapa. I came here as a field operator, and then now I'm a shift supervisor. So I was trained here, 2 hour operations, and then number of trainees. And then we also have visiting engineers who also come around, so we learn from each other. Not everybody gets that opportunity, and so I feel lucky and proud of it. As a supervisor, I make sure I optimize the plant. That's our main thing. And also, the plant must be safe. There shouldn't be any strange noise. The plant is cleaned. Yeah. When everything is okay, every 2 hours we pick samples to the lab to check their quality, and then we report all issues and solve them. So everything inside the plant is on the monitor, and some of them you effect the changes here on the monitor, but you have to see the effect in the plant. The future depends on also the sustainability. Fuji is one of the giant companies in Tebma. Fuji wants to be part of the society. They really mingle, and so you don't see we and them. This is Europeans, this is Ghanaians. No, we are together and makes work very easier. Yeah. It is also developing Tebma. They also seek the welfare of the people. The people must also smile, yeah, and come to work. Yeah. So Fuji is going extra mile. My family is here. My wife is now working here. My kids are schooling here. I'm building a house here. So yes, this is the future.